Hey guys, it's another day. So today I'm gonna get my hair done. Cynthia is coming and she's gonna do knotless braids. She's here already.
This would be great.
Yeah, I don't want it too big.
Just me.
Yeah, this is black and this is what color is this? 27 and 30. Okay, you guys, so this is the part where I decided to do a voiceover because as you guys can tell, I didn't get enough time to film an intro. So anyways, last month I decided to get knotless braids, and Cynthia was already here, so I couldn't film an intro for you guys. So this is how it went. You guys know that I am now going back to being natural 100%, and having knotless braids or just braids in general last longer than weaves for me. And also I wanted something new because I always have weaves on, and I wanted to change the color as well. I always have black hair or ash gray or gray and white or whatsoever. I've never tried a combination of these three braids or these three colors before, and you guys, at first I was skeptical about it, how it would look on my skin, but I saw a bunch of YouTubers and also Instagrammers with this particular color, and I thought I'll give it a try, and this is how it went. So the colors that I chose is 30, 27 and 1B. Initially I just wanted to do a 27 and 30 together without adding the black, but then I just decided that I should add the black because it would blend in well with my transitioning hairstyle, with my transitioning hair. So yeah, over here you guys can just see I'm helping Cynthia out by just giving her braids, and she's braiding my hair. I decided just for it to go faster, because I've got a head full of hair, even though it's not long, it's still a lot. I decided to help her out by just like braiding the ends as well, because I'm good with braids as well and I can do it. So I didn't mind doing that. It would also go faster. And it took us about 5 hours to do this. It took us 5 hours to braid this. And you guys, another terrible job I did was that I didn't show you guys how it looked afterwards, and that is because I didn't get time. I was rushing somewhere, had to go to a party, and you guys only saw what it looked like after 5 days, and it wasn't so bad. And you guys, I must say, oh my gosh, I have never received such positive comments or feedback on my hair before. I received a lot of comments with these braids on. Chinese people loved it. They kept asking me, where did you do it? How much was it? At work, everyone loved it. My friends and close friends whom I trusted, it looked good on me. So I'm excited that I did this and that I took a risk to just try something new. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and mumbling now, and let's just watch the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, share. Enjoy.
Keep
did a terrible job with this video. It's been approximately 5 days, almost a week, since I've done my knotless braids, but this is how it looks like. So that is why my edges kind of like look old and stuff like that. I just didn't have enough time after they did the braids. I quickly had to rush somewhere. We finished soling it. It took like about 5 hours to make these braids, to do it. But then yeah, honestly, at first I was really skeptical about the color, because I just didn't know if the color looked good on me, if it suited my face. And then mind you guys, it is the first time that I put color braids. I usually just have like black, the classic all black. So I don't know how I feel about the color. The braids are like really long. Let me just climb on these stairs. This is how long the braids are. The braids are like really long. I feel like I would have wanted it to be a little bit less. It's because like I feel like they're just too much and so full. Just the type of person that just can't stand box braids anymore. I don't want it to be like a lot and full because it gets heavy and all of that. So yeah, at first I was really skeptical. I don't know how I felt about the braids, you know, especially the color and how it looks on me or on my skin. I'm sorry about that background noise. But now I think I'm growing into loving it. So I'm loving it day by day. You know what? Maybe like, you know, you guys, do you know how like when braids get older, they look better? Well, at least for some people, for me. So I feel like that is how I'm adjusting to it. The older it gets, the better it looks. And also I have like a really short forehead and my hair comes all the way to my forehead. So she couldn't pull these tiny hairs. So yeah, we just left it as baby hairs. And I think it's also a safer option in order to just protect your baby hairs. Yeah. So also I'm shooting this video really late at night. I apologize if the quality is not good and if it's a bit too dark. Okay, so this was it regarding this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this color looks good on me, or do you think that I'm just overreacting? I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
So we are